Hey, I'm Brian at All South Appliance. I'm here to tell you about the new Traeger grills that we have in. They come in various sizes, from small to large, as you can see here. Um, so basically what your Traeger grill is it's a wood pellet electric smoker. And what's going to happen is you put your pellets in the hopper right here. And also you have various different flavors of pellets. So you've got apple wood, you've got fruit wood, hickory, oak. There's all kind of different flavors. And what it's going to do is auger those in here over a electric element in there, and basically that's going to create that heat to get the pellets going, and that's going to give you your good smoky taste to the meat. Also with the Traeger, you can do a lot of accessories. You have grill covers you can do. There's coffee rubs, rubs specifically for your poultry and fish, and then beef rubs too. You also have drip trays, drip tray liners for inside the machines if you need those to, just help clean up with the mess and stuff of the grill. But it's very, and then cleaner as well. Again, on the grill, it's very easy to use. You can set it, forget it, go watch your ball game, and have a great time, and then enjoy your meat when it's done. And not only at All South Appliance do we have the Traeger, but come see us. We can pretty much take care of any situation of your outdoor grilling and outdoor kitchens.